People have dogs for a very long time, usually about 15 years. The way to make this a really happy and good time with your dog is to be prepared for things happening and to try and teach them in advance. One of the big things that happened to my friend Margaret was that she broke her arm and had to come and live with her family, which included the very boisterous and happy schnauzer, Bonnie, who's 2 years old and very bouncy. Now, when Margaret first came in the gate after she came out of hospital, Bonnie ran around her and jumped up and down, and Margaret had to be really careful. She turned her uninjured side to Bonnie, she came inside, she sat down, and she used a behaviour technique to teach Bonnie not to approach her broken arm. Now, what she did was move her fingers really quickly so that Bonnie would follow them away from the broken arm.
Bonnie! Bonnie! Bonnie!
Good job. And then she rewarded Bonnie with a pat, as you can see her doing now. Now, what's happened after doing this many times, Bonnie now longer will not approach the broken arm at all, which is really, really wonderful. This following the moving fingers like that is a feature of the dogs that are really good ratters, like schnauzers, and doing it really easily where the light is dim, as it is in this room compared to outside, is another strong feature of them. Margaret used these features to teach this dog really, really quickly. And one of the things that happens with these dogs who follow your fingers very easily like that and who are born to be ratters is that they will catch rats. And this is the time of the year for the rats to move in from the cold into people's houses, and people are putting out rat bait. Now, many of these rat baits give poison rats, and if those dogs eat those poison rats, then the dog gets sick. And the quick dogs, the ones that follow those moving fingers and can be trained really easily, are the ones that will eat a rat in a single gulp, and a person won't even know that rat has been there. Research has shown that people in Brisbane, each individual person is only 3 metres away from a live rat. So the thing to do is be really, really careful. If you're putting out rat bait, keep it away from wildlife, keep it away from the children and dogs, and if those rats are running around, even if you don't think they're there, check your dog regularly for the fact that it might have eaten a poison rat. Check its gums, watch out for vomiting or any sign of weakness, which means it needs to go to a vet.